Check out my new site. My friends, Coach Vigue, welcome to day 4. Movement, all body weight. Invite your friends to join us for not just day 4, but the entire 30 days of this glorious all levels challenge. Today's random question is, what is your favorite kind of pie? Yeah, favorite kind of pie. Got to know that. Must know these things. Modify as needed. Always use control. I'm wearing red today. I usually don't wear red, but I think it might spruce up the backdrop, a little Christmassy feel with the green and the red and whatever color this is. All right, breathing in the nose, out the nose. Let's do something truly legendary in a short amount of time. Bite-sized chunks. Seated position. Shake out the arms and the legs. We're going to start with some folding leaf pulses, otherwise called spine stretches in Pilates. Bend the knees appropriately. Exhale, reach forward. Relax the feet, relax the toes. Inhale, stack the spine back up. Nice flowing movements. Everything is flowing. Enjoying the breeze. Let's hollow out the abdominals as we exhale. Lifting up, shoulders back and down. Good. Move within your range of motion. Find where your body is and work from there. It's a beautiful, beautiful rule of thumb. One more time, we're going to lengthen, squeeze the breath from the lungs, every drop of it. Rising up. Grabbing as far forward as you can. I'm going to take a little squeeze here of my big toes. Ticklish. And we're going to walk the legs. The walking, folding leaf. As you're doing that, my friends, let those shoulders relax. Focus on pressing the back of your knee down. Let the hamstrings and the calves follow suit. I got these beautiful pants in Wisconsin. Did someone ask that where I got them? Did you hear that? No? Well, now you know. Let's walk it out. Shoulders relax. Get the arms into it. It's like a little elliptical here, a little Nordic track. Remember those? I had a Nordic track. I use it to hang clothes on. There we are. Walking it out. Love that stretch. Getting some blood flow going. Let the body open up to its possibilities. 4 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's counteract that with some nice chest and back bend opening stretches. We come back or bring the forearms down. Open it up. If you want more, lift up. Look at this. Just snuck that in there. Reverse plank. 5 breaths. Activate the core, activate the blood flow into the core. That strong foundation. Hi. Chest is expanding. Beautiful. Come on back up. Take the right foot across. And we're going to twist the upper body. Let those shoulders come down. Oh, the sun. Love it. I always go towards the sun. Twist. Hand down. You can have the arm across or here. We're going to do a little active movement here. Back and forth. Twist. Let's keep it tall. Don't sacrifice form for more range of motion. That'll actually put you back 2 steps. Step by step. Inhale, exhale. I'm guilty a lot of pushing into the twist, into the stretch, so let's release into it. Think of releasing, effortless, like you're in a pool of water. I'm sorry, little Ian. Now extend the right leg, grab the outside of the foot with the left hand, and we reach. Let's do a little pulse here. We're going to inhale, soften the leg, exhale, lengthen and extend the arm out. Ta-da! I used to teach this. This always reminds me of candlelight yoga. I used to teach that quite a bit at, what was it called? Platinum Dance Academy in Florida. this one. So we're twisting as well as lengthening. Feel this pushback right along here in the IT band, into the glute, into the hamstrings. All right, twist other side. Back and forth. Free up the body. Shake off the tension. Shake off the knots. Shake off the rust. These are great to do on their own or as warm-ups, as cool-downs. They exist to serve at your pleasure, my friend. And that is I love offering that. Because if it works for you, these flows in any situation, any time period, any situation, well, then it works, right? It serves the purpose. Like apples or broccoli, they're always healthy. All right, now we extend. Back and forth. Inhale, soften, exhale, lengthen. Drawing the left arm back, nice deep twist. I think the red shirt is working nicely. What do you think? Or are you still thinking about your favorite pie? Some of you might even include pizza in that. One more time. Ah, beautiful. What does my card say? Okay, let's come to the back edge of the mat. Little Garland stretch. Feet pointed out a little. We come down. A little swaying back and forth. One of my favorites. Hip opener. If that's too much, take the hands up here. Add the movement. Let the ankles move. Let them situate. Let them adapt. The body adapt to whatever comes its way. Now you can stay in the Garland doing this with a nice beat. It's like in high school dances. Everyone does step, toe, touch, back and forth. Or you can walk it out, lower down, inhale, Cobra. Draw the shoulders back, lower down, and then walk back into that crouch. This calls for a shirt tuck. Boom. All right, so find it. Gliding through, you can also press up into upward facing dog. But take your time lowering down, feel the extension through the crown of the head, and then we walk back. As minimum amount of noise as possible. Savor that breath. Savor the movements. 2 more times. Always moving. Always moving. Back to Garland. Again, sway back and forth. Drop the shoulders and lift up a little higher in the upper body. There's that beautiful twist, always adding rotational integrity to the movements. Look at those big hawks back there. Exercising their rotational integrity as well. Good dance step too. You do this on the dance floor, people will clear out of the way. He's finally lost it. All right, let's bring it down. Little hero pose, sitting on the heels. Tucking in that shirt. So let's come to the front here. We're gonna reach up and back. Inhale, so side bend and then back. Oh, that's good. Can even come up onto the knees, up and back. Some nice crunchies going up and down the spine. Cavitations, adjustments, whatever they are. Notice I'm swaying back a little bit, getting a nice stretch down the quad and the hip flexor. this all day, and I'm in the sun. Very happy. One more time each side. Wind. All right, downward facing dog. Step back, walk with the twist. Walk your hands forward. I'm very grateful we got some sun. It's been very cloudy today in Florida. All right, right foot forward, low lunge, drop that knee. We're gonna sink back, runner's lunge, and then press forward, hands down for support. Beautiful stretch. Step back, down dog, other side, back and forth. You can start here, stretch forward, and then back. Keep on moving, modify as you need to. There we are. Start opening up right in here. That's what those forward, what we call the folding leaf stretches were for earlier, to get us ready for this point as well. All right, once more on each side. These are always great exercises, standalones you can practice throughout the day. Many benefits of body weight fitness, of calisthenics like this, is they are perfectly able to be transported anywhere you are, because it's your body that is the gym, is the mechanism for it to happen. All right, down dog. Stretch it back, walking with the twist. I know I'm going to get some comments, positive ones, about how good your back feels after this, or how much more movement potential you have in the sides. Potential. What an overused word, but when you put in the work, the practice, and the consistency, you will see and feel how far you can go with your movements, with your breath, with your focus. And it keeps us hungry for more. All right, knees down. Press it back, child's pose with a twist, thread the needle. I wasn't gonna do it, but we have to do it. It's so good. Oh, twist. Inhale, center. Other side. I think a bug just flew into my mouth, but it's gone now. It happens all the time in Florida. In Colorado, elk would fly into my mouth. My friends, that's day 4, Coach Vigue. Well done. Fantastic work. Invite all your friends to join us, not just for day 4, but the entire challenge. And today's random question is, what is your favorite kind of pie? I gotta say, I'm old-fashioned. I love it. Even if I go to Marie Callender's, I still get it. I like apple pie, but you have to have vanilla ice cream with the pie. Do you agree with that, or am I way off base with having ice cream with pie? Some people think it's inappropriate. What do you think? All right, my friends, God bless you. I will see you tomorrow for day number 5. Well done.
I didn't get a harumph out of that guy.
Give the governor a harumph.
Harumph?